Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to locate your lost Samsung phone instantly. Losing your phone can be stressful, but with the right tools, you can easily track it down. Let's get started. Step 1. Access. Find My Mobile. First, you need to access Samsung's Find My Mobile service. Go to a web browser on your computer or another device and navigate to the Samsung Find My Mobile website. Make sure you have your Samsung account credentials ready, as you will need to log in. Step 2. Log in to your Samsung account. Once you are on the Find My Mobile page, click on Sign In. Enter your Samsung account email and password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, make sure to complete that process as well. Step 3. Locate your device. After logging in, you will see a list of devices linked to your Samsung account. Choose the lost phone from the list. The map will display its last known location if the device is turned on and connected to the internet. Step 4. Use available features. Once your device is located, you can utilize several features. Ring. This option makes your phone ring at full volume, even if it's on silent. Great for when it's nearby. Lock. If you believe your phone is stolen, you can remotely lock it to protect your data and even display a message with your contact information. Erase data. As a last resort, you have the option to erase all data on your phone to ensure your personal information is safe. Step 5. Check device status. In the Find My Mobile interface, you can also check if your phone's battery is still alive and if it's connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. This information is crucial as it determines whether you can locate your device successfully. Step 6. Enable optional features in the future. To prevent future occurrences, consider enabling features like the remote unlock and location sharing on your phone ahead of time. This will make it easier to locate your device if it goes missing again. Thank you for watching our video on how to find your lost Samsung phone instantly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips. Happy locating!